All right, so we have William asking, when wearing only a shirt and vest while kilted, must one wear a shortened vest as with a jacket, or could one wear a regular woolen vest?
Regular woolen vest, as in like a V-neck sweater vest kind of thing.
I think he means like a Saxon wear, like a regular vest.
Go with both.
Okay. Sweater vest,
Sure.
do what you want. It's going to rumple up, or you can fold it at the bottom hem if you want to compensate for the length.
Yeah,
Regular Saxon vest.
For Saxon vest, it depends on how long it is. A lot of them...
And how long you are.
Yes. How tall you are and how long your torso is.
Right.
The problem with wearing a regular suit vest, Saxon wear like you would wear with a pair of pants, with a kilt, is that the kilt is worn much higher. So the top of the kilt should be about 2 inches above your belly button, and then your sporran is basically about, figure 3-4 inches below the belt, so 3 inches on the belt, so 7 inches down from the top of the kilt. Rough math. Now, if you're wearing a regular suit vest, it's going to generally cover the top of the sporran, and it kind of looks like you're wearing your daddy's suit vest. It doesn't look like it was designed to go with the suit or with the sporran, with the kilt and that kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
So generally, if it is a shorter vest, that's fine. If you can get it in if it's you're going to Joseph A. Banks, you walk in the door, you see a tweed vest, you fall in love with the tweed, matches your Isle Skye tartan perfectly, you have to have it. You talk to the wife, you convince her you need this vest. This is the one. Go over, and if it comes in short, regular, long, let's say you're a guy who's 6 foot tall, get the short or get the regular. Make sure it comes it's a little bit short on you. It may not quite meet the top of your pants, but that's the point, because your your kilt is worn higher than you wear your pants. So you want to make sure it looks good with the kilt.
Right.
If you already own a vest and you want to know if that one is going to go with the kilt, put it on, go in front of a mirror. Is it hanging over top of the sporran? If it is, what's going to end up happening is, as you're standing there, you're going to keep wanting to tuck, if you want to look tidy, you're going to be tucking the vest behind the sporran, and it's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt. So your mileage may vary. It depends on what you want to do, how much you want to kind of fix yourself as you're wearing the outfit.
Yeah.
If you're wearing a sweater vest, again, if you're a taller guy, or even if you're not a taller guy, if you're a regular size guy, you want to make sure it's a little bit shorter, or if you're a short guy, it might not work quite as well, just because it's going to be covering up the sporran, and you're going to constantly be tucking it behind the sporran for it to look even close to good.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, pretty much. If you're going really, really casual, like no tie, and you're just keeping the vest open, a lot of people will not notice that there's a disproportion
That's
going
a fair
on.
Point.
I can get away with it personally a little because I have a long torso. I have Norwegian ancestry. We're built for rowing boats. So basically, I can get away with it a little bit, but I won't use a Saxon vest if I want to look crisp and right on. And definitely, I've had occasions where it's just like the vest is, like you said, the points on the vest are bumping into the sporran. It's just like, yeah, this is no good. So you abandon that. But, if you got a vest from Goodwill, you're just starting out in this stuff, and that's what you got. Yeah, you can make it work. It's much more forgivable than a jacket, which is what we always say. Do not try to wear a regular Saxon suit jacket with a kilt. That's a really bad faux pas.
And the jacket's a faux pas because it's too long. It's going to end up covering.
You can't cheat it. You can't fix it the way you can a vest. So.
Yeah, it's going to easily. It's going to be covering up at least the top half of the back of your kilt, if not the top 2/3.
Yeah.
So you only end up with about 8 inches of pleats showing out the bottom, and at that point it just looks mismatched, mispaired, just odd.
Right.
So yeah, vest. See what you can do. Try to make it work. If it works, great, good on you. If it doesn't, save up a couple bucks over time. Get the proper vest, and it'll fit better.
Just be honest with yourself when you look in the mirror.
Yeah, and it boils down to budget and
It always,
how much you want to spend on this stuff.
Yeah, it depends on where you are in this and how much money you got to spend on it. So.
Yep, agreed.